Here's a video of my Umarex Gauntlet in 22 caliber. Just camoed it up yesterday. Got a 3x12 scope on there. We put this setup on there. Those are 2-inch roll bar clamps, and we cut the shroud right here just to match, and we camoed it all up, and then we drilled a hole in the bottom of this. There wasn't a hole, so we could mount our Picatinny rail, and then this bipod is mounted to a Picatinny rail, and then this adapter, which we had it on our plastic shroud, but it was just a little too weak. So that's what the clamps look like. And then they have this little piece that comes off here, and there's holes here, and so we mounted another Picatinny rail there and mounted our flashlight. It's really right. So here's the other side. We did have to clearance right here a little bit for the barrel. It's just barely touching, if any at all. We had to just use a drum sander for that. So we don't really hunt per se with ours. We more target practice with them. We'll maybe hunt a little tiny bit, but we're not carrying them out in the field. So the added weight for us isn't really a big deal. I don't know how much extra it weighs, but it's probably 1.5 pounds maybe. With these brackets are all aluminum, but they're thick. They're 1 inch across, and they're probably maybe 3/8 thick. But tell you what, that thing is solid. I mean, there's no doubt about it. It's not going anywhere when it's on the bipod. So we're pretty happy with it, with how it came out. Sorry, I'm trying to put the bipod up. There we go. So it turned out really well. It was a good little project, me and the son masking all this stuff up and making it work and fabricating it. It was a good little fabrication lesson for him. So just looking forward to doing some plinking and maybe doing a little bit of hunting in the yard if a rabbit or something comes through. But other than that, it's pretty much just target on a bench for us. So this is super stable and worked out really well. So just again, 2-inch roll bar clamps, and they had that little piece sticking off the top, so we just mounted our flashlight right to it. Just kind of made sense for us to do that. You could probably cut them off and tap it and drill it, but we didn't want to do that. So anyways, Umarex Gauntlet in a 22. Have a good day.